Weller Professional 120 volt soldering gun kit. 2 ranges. It's everything you need. It's a great soldering gun in a beautiful case to protect it. As you can see, it's very solid. Soldering gun, it tightly fits in there so it doesn't rattle around. You got to really pull it out because it's well protected. It's got a big grip. It's got 2 positions in the trigger for high and low range, and it comes with accessories. So you got some tools to remove your tips and a couple tools to solder.